Brandon from Cloud9 here today, and we're going to unbox the Schluze Pretreatmaker 4. Alright, so at this point we have the machine set up and ready to go. When you turn it on, there's going to be a light that comes on just like that. It's kind of like UV almost. And you're going to see this screen right here when you first start up the machine. That's basically the control for the entire machine is done right there through that LCD screen, other than changing the tanks, which you can see here in this picture. So yeah, once you get it out of the box and set up, it's pretty simple. They include some setup instructions that really explain everything easily. There were only two things that kind of threw me off when you first put the nozzles on. You have to tighten them a lot, potentially much more than you'd think. That's kind of what happened in my case. And also you have to fill up all 3 bottles initially with distilled water to flush the lines. I thought it was only going to be one because there's a tank that's dedicated for water, but turns out it was all 3, so you have to do that. But other than that, setup is pretty simple, and I'm actually recording this a couple days after using the machine, and honest opinion, it's been incredible compared to our other machine. Such a huge upgrade, absolutely worth the money. And maybe we'll make another video down the road that kind of addresses how we feel in like a month or 2. So stay tuned for that. We'll be posting more content soon. Definitely a lot of stuff that's related to DTG printing. So if that's something that you're interested in, we'd love if you would like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
Cloud9 about to go up.